In this video, we're going to be replacing the driver's side mirror on this 2005 Honda Element. Inside the door, you're going to find this panel here. This panel can be removed by simply grabbing the lip here and pulling it off, like so. There's going to be one clip. It's going to be a push clip and two clips that rest in. All right, so you're going to pop the top, pull the bottom out. Once you have that done, you can set that aside. From here, you have one electrical connector and two on the bottom, one on the top, 8mm nuts. So we're going to remove our electrical connector now. We're going to push in and pull that plug out. And we're going to take an 8mm socket, take these nuts off. At this point here, there's a potential you could drop these nuts inside the door panel. Then you'd have to remove the entire door panel. What you want to do is make sure you don't drop those nuts in the door panel. So we did the bottom two. Now we'll come up here to do the third, but while we do the third, we're going to hold on to that mirror while we take that third nut off. Now we can take our mirror straight out and off the vehicle. So now we're ready to install our new mirror, and we have our three studs, our hook that kind of holds it in place here, and our electrical connector. We're going to line it up on the front of the vehicle, or the outside of the door rather. I'm going to line up our studs and push it in. Now I'm going to keep one hand on the mirror on the outside, and I'm going to thread on the top nut here. And I'm going to take my 8mm and I'm going to tighten this down. Now I can let go of the mirror. The bottom two studs are a little bit more interesting because you don't want to drop the nut in here. So what we're going to do is load them up into the socket, and we're going to put them onto the stud. We're going to pull the mirror in slightly and tighten it down. And do the same thing on the other side. Now when you do this, there is a chance you can cross thread. So what we're going to do is just start this very slowly. Once we know we're on, there's no big resistance, tighten it down. And we'll go back around, make sure they're all tight. And we're going to plug in our electrical connector. And then from here, we're going to take our cover. Remember, our cover sits on the metal here and then plugs in here. So we're going to put the bottom in first and then rotate the top, clip into place, and then we're just going to give it a good little tap. Make sure everything is all the way in. And the install is done. From here, what you'd want to do is turn your ignition on and make sure the function of your mirror actually works, the power portion of your mirror. And if that does, you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.